Welcome to this tutorial. Today we will be implementing linear regression. So let's first start with importing the libraries. These are the libraries that will be required pandas, numpy and matplotlib.pyplot. So after that we will import the dataset. The dataset is as follows. The dataset has hours and scores, that is the number of hours a candidate has studied and the score that he has obtained in the exam. So we will try to visualize this dataset in order to know which regression model we have to use. So as we can see here that this shows kind of linear trend. So we'll try to fit a linear model for this dataset. So we will allocate the data into X and Y, putting the hours in X and scores in Y. So after that we'll split the dataset into training and test set. After splitting the dataset, we will implement a simple linear regression model and fit it for X-train and Y-train. So we will now predict the X-test values and get Y-pred from that. So these are the predicted values. The actual value is 20 and the predicted value is 16.88. Actual value is 27 and predicted value is 33.7. So we are somewhere close. Let us try to predict if a student studies for 9.25 hours a day, what will be his score? So according to the regression model that we have fit, if a student studies for 9.25 hours a day, then his score will be around 93.69. So let us visualize our training set results. So this is the line that was fit by simple linear regression model to our data set. And now let us see how our test set fits to it. So it actually fits pretty good. These points are somewhat away from the line, but that is okay. Let us evaluate the model by calculating the mean absolute error. So mean absolute error is 4.18. Okay, thank you.